Get strong.
Nah, this is crazy.
Yo, I dance, the building I dance.
Building I got drop.
Yo.
Don't see you're supposed to piss up themselves.
Yo, a joke thing. The earthquake is serious. Yo.
This earthquake, this man.
Yo, man, I'm free. No.
Earthquake like this yet.
Come on.
Yeah, this one is what it.
Yo, I dance, the building I dance.
Building I got drop.
Yo.
This is in my workplace. Everything broke off. Everything just dropped down. Everything. See? Everything dropped down. Everything dropped down. Everything broke up around here. Jesus Christ. Kuya. Jesus Christ. Kuya, every aisle broke up. So we have to go steer back and fix up back everything. Everything drop off in here. Look there. This is Manningsville. This is what we're going through. This is what we're going through. No.
Boy, this earthquake, this everything tumble over in a supermarket, shelf swing left and right, customer run out the door. But you know, Rasta pick me stay still, them just go all a column, because I guess so. Big bad and brave, you know. Boy, this earthquake.
Yo. John.
We don't get the key. No, we don't see no manager come down.
John.
I just want for you now.
John. John. Wicked piece of earthquake.
Sorry.
Yo. John.
We don't get the key. No, we don't see no manager come down.
John.
I just want for you now.